Cooking with Cass. Is this a recording?
Is this a recording or is this a picture?
It's recording.
Oh, okay. Cooking with Cass.
Just hi everybody. No. Cut. Okay, so we're gonna get our coleslaw together. This is 1 head of lettuce. I mean, not lettuce. Okay, start over again. Wait a minute. I don't know why I thought it said slow mo. Yeah, we can. Okay, come on. Hey everybody. Hey. Hey. Stop. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'm good. Just can't get it together today. All right. Okay. Hey. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey. All right. Showtime. Probably had to be like this because I'm short. Okay. This light is. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. What's up, y'all? Here we are again, cooking with Cass. What's up, Cass? What's up, Cass? Chilling. Yep. Right. You know what? Hey. Hey, Cass. Hey. What's up, y'all? This is episode 3 of Cooking with Cass. No, it's not. Oh no, it's not. It's actually episode 4 or 5 or 6. Take 3. We're not gonna say what. No. Hey. Okay. So you just laying on the couch. I'm just chilling, right? Waiting for, waiting for Cuz. What are we waiting for? Okay, well, I'm getting ready to do this mashed potato. All right. Focus. So, all right. Yeah. All right, guys. Shiny forehead. We got. Take 2. No, we good. I'll edit it out. Okay. All right, guys. So we got my forehead. Oh, okay. Okay. So goofy. Cooking with Cass.